If you need to update the email link to your Whop account, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step so you can change it safely and confirm it properly. Whether you switched email addresses, lost access to an old inbox, or just want to keep your account details up to date, this is the fastest way to do it. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy how-to tutorials just like this. First, go to whop.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your home feed. From there, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile avatar or icon. This opens your account options. Next, choose Edit Profile, or if you see a gear icon next to your name, you can click that instead. Both options will take you into your profile and settings area. Inside your settings, look for the left-hand navigation menu and click on Account Security. This is where Whop keeps the email and security-related settings for your account. At the top of this page, you should see your current email address displayed clearly. Right next to it, you'll see a Change button. Click that button to begin updating your email. Now type in your new email address carefully. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes, no extra spaces, and that you're using the exact inbox you want connected to your Whop account. This part is important because Whop will use that email to send the verification code or confirmation message. After entering the new address, click Send Code. At this point, switch over to your new email inbox in a separate tab or window. Log into the email account you just entered on Whop. Look for a new message from Whop. In many cases it arrives quickly, but if you don't see it right away, wait about a minute and then check your spam or promotions folders too. Sometimes verification emails can land there by mistake. Once you find the message, open it and click the Verify Email link or button inside. This step confirms that you own the new inbox and locks in the update on your Whop account. After you verify it, the change should be completed and your Whop account will now be connected to your new email address. If the email doesn't arrive, double-check that you entered the address correctly, then try sending the code again if needed. Also make sure you're checking the right inbox and not a different account by mistake. Taking a few extra seconds here can save you from login issues later. And that's it. You've successfully updated the email linked to your Whop account. It only takes a few minutes once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.